Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in OPPO Reno 10. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to find a game like Call of Duty, it's visible, but when you click on that icon, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, open Family, enter Parental Controls, and right here you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for Apps and Games, then insert your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and now we can go back, look for the game again, and now it's available right here on the top and you can either play or install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.